troubles, forget about the struggles, no longer butting heads against. Some people say that I'm not gonna amount to anything, not gonna amount to anything. Open your eyes, watch who's the one that's in the skies. And in time to let the chance, wanna take it upon me to finally have my party. Blocking I hate only needs one who support me, cause it's my journey, my own story. Positive vibes cause I'm only seeking glory. Got a break and I'm feeling right. No longer struggle with the thoughts I'd fight. Debate, good ways. Me and I finally reunite. Lost touch after all this time. My headspace in a new state. Darkness of my room won't last to consume. I've worked my way to break through from the doubts that overwhelmingly obsess over what's to be. Now this drought will once storms loomed. Some people say that I'm chasing nothing fantasy, I'll never reach my high streams. Look into my eyes, tell me to my face and logic that proves everything when you talk smack. Just because you can never do all these things I'm intending to doesn't mean you can ridicule and judge without good reason to. Cause it's my journey, my own story. Live you one life, don't mean right does not concern me.
Let me just clear my throat.
Concern me, concern me.
Insert motivational speech here. Add in words that fit with the situation I'm in